unreal through here. Just leaving Mono Lake now and planning on driving about 2 hours into the Yosemite Valley. Trying to get some iconic landscape photos here. But first just gotta make a quick stop, upload the Mono Lake video, and then hopefully it'll be a fun evening of photography after that.
Hey, welcome to the park,
how's it
sir.
going?
Did you need a map today?
No thank you.
Welcome back, man. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. It is just unreal through here. Like, I've seen photos of all these places, but to actually see them up close, it's crazy. Video's all uploaded now. Time to go shoot. Starting to feel a little bit sick right now, which is not very fun. Okay, so feeling a little bit better now. And I was just up at Tunnel View, which kind of gives you a whole overview of the valley. It's very pretty, but it's just, I'm not really a fan of shooting when there's a whole bunch of people around, which I guess I should have kind of expected more, just coming here into the valley. But so instead I think I'm just gonna drive down, find a campsite hopefully, and try to hike El Cap in the morning. Well, that's not true. All of the campsites in the valley are full. I should have planned this better. I think I'll just go back up to where I was before, and maybe shoot a night time lapse or something like that. Okay, hang on. Might have an idea. Okay, so I'm right at the base of El Cap right now, and you can see all the lights of the climbers that are spending the night up on the wall. So I'm going to try to take out the zoom lens. They're really far away, but I'm going to see if I can get sort of any details of what's going on up there. Even if they're kind of small in the shot, I think it still might look pretty cool. Well, it's definitely got some potential. Not so much to see the individual climbers, but more to just kind of get the scale of the wall and then all the little lights on it. So I think I'm just gonna go back up to that viewpoint anyway, and it'll look pretty cool to see the lights in the time lapse. Just kind of have to see how it all goes. Lots of driving in circles today. Still quite a few people here, but go set up the time lapse and get it going.
Yeah.
That was kind of an interesting experience out there. It was super crowded, just tons of people shooting, and you know, for one, you're looking at just one of the most incredible views in the country, and you just kind of want to enjoy that, but there's just so many people, tons of lights and stuff, and I don't know, to me, that's not really what photography is about. Yes, I always want to get the best shot possible, but if it means being in a horde of people who are all getting the same exact shot, to me that's just not very special, even though it's such a cool place here. So I think this time lapse is gonna kind of show not really what I was originally going for, you know, just a nice, very pretty night time lapse of a cool looking view. It's more going to show sort of the environment that I was in while shooting the time lapse, and that contrast between, wow, this is an awesome place, and oh my god, there's so many people here, which is still worth something, I think. Settings are ISO 8000, f1.8, and 25-second shutter, going at 30-second intervals, and I just let it run for 2 hours, so getting 10 seconds of footage. Here it is. I also think I'm going to try to pull out just one still shot from the time lapse. Definitely with one of the lights visible on El Cap. I just think that's so cool to be able to see that from afar, and it would be even cooler to actually be up there, but I don't really know how to rock climb too well. Maybe one day. So here's how that shot turned out. I'm not feeling so great again, so I'm just gonna go to bed now and wake up whenever I wake up. Just waking up now. I feel pretty terrible, so I don't really know what to do. There's no clouds right now, so if I want to shoot sunrise, it won't be anything super special. I'll probably have to wait until the sun actually comes up over the cliffs and you can see it. So I might do that, but I don't think it's for like an hour or two. Just headed back down now. Wasn't really feeling the crowds up there. I think I definitely learned that in the future, if it means sacrificing an iconic view, I'm definitely gonna just want to be more away from all the people. I just think it kind of takes all the fun and the kind of uniqueness out of photography when you're just shooting in a whole crowd. So I'll definitely be back here, but we'll probably try to stay more off the beaten path, like I did last time I was here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here. Gotta continue heading north and do a bunch of editing. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.